The amount of time required to commit to full-time reselling can vary depending on several factors, including your level of experience, the volume of inventory you manage, the platforms you sell on, and your overall business strategy. Here's a breakdown of the typical time commitments involved in full-time reselling. Sourcing inventory. This involves finding and purchasing items to resell. Whether it's through thrift stores, clearance sales, online auctions, wholesale suppliers, or other sourcing methods. The time spent sourcing inventory can vary depending on your sourcing strategy and the availability of profitable items in your area. Listing and product preparation. Once you've acquired inventory, you'll need to photograph, describe, and list each item for sale on your chosen reselling platforms. This process can be time-consuming, especially if you're listing a large volume of items or if you're selling on multiple platforms simultaneously. Managing listings. After listing your items, you'll need to monitor and manage your listings, including updating inventory quantities, adjusting prices, and responding to buyer inquiries or offers. This ongoing management requires regular attention to ensure your listings remain accurate and competitive. Packing and shipping. When orders are placed, you'll need to pack and ship each item promptly to ensure timely delivery to your buyers. This involves packaging items securely, printing shipping labels, and dropping off packages at the post office or ranging for pickup. Customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for maintaining positive feedback and building a loyal customer base. This includes responding promptly to buyer inquiries, addressing any issues or concerns, and handling returns or exchanges as needed. Financial management. You'll also need to dedicate time to managing the financial aspects of your reselling business, including tracking expenses, calculating profits, and filing taxes. Staying organized and maintaining accurate records is essential for financial success. Overall, full-time reselling can be a demanding endeavor that requires a significant time commitment, especially during the initial stages of building and scaling your business. Many full-time resellers find themselves dedicating anywhere from 40 to 60 hours per week to their reselling activities. Although this can vary depending on individual circumstances and business goals.